What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it is snowing outside, so we're gonna take my son outside for his first time ever and see what he does, his reactions, and we're gonna have some fun outside in the snow. You like the snow, papas? Or you're thinking this is very fucking cold and my parents should take me inside?
Yeah. What do you think?
He's got my boy Fresh, he got his boots on. Sheesh.
He's trying to
And
go
his-
over there.
And his jacket that matches. That whole clean. By the way, guys, I am recording on my new GoPro, so if the video looks a little different,
He's trying to
that's
run
the
off.
reason.
Babe, he's trying to run off.
Yeah.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going?
Pobre güerito, look at him.
How about we walk this way? That way you don't try and go like somewhere that's going to drop your ass.
Doesn't seem like there's a lot of ice out here. A whole lot of snow.
On the bus. Wow, do you like it? Do you like it, my love? ¿Te gusta, papi? He's not shivering, and I know when he shivers.
Yeah.
Tea?
Nah, my son's chilling.
Yeah, he's big chilling.
Me, on the other hand, I'm cold as fuck. I got my gloves on.
It's cause
Like
he has
3 fucking layers.
It's cause Sebastian has like 3 pants on, 3 shirts.
Yeah,
plus
he's chilling.
2 jackets. Mas? Mas? A ver, let's go get you more.
You want to grab him some snow?
Maybe, I actually think there is more on the other side.
Nah.
No?
You think so? I guess over here it looks more covered.
Yeah.
But it looks nice.
Oh no, yeah.
This is our apartment complex.
Apartment tour coming soon. He likes it.
I'm just searching for a snow bunny out here. Oh, I found her.
I got you when we get inside.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
That just means she's gonna make some cookies for me and some hot chocolate, of course.
Yeah, of course. Of course. Alright, Bobby, this is also your first time going up of a stair. So let's see how you
He's gonna want to sit down on it.
do. No, serious. He's like,
He's
where
like,
y'all
never mind, I'll
taking
go the other way.
me? He's like, where y'all taking me? I don't want to go in. He probably thinks we're taking him inside.
I don't know.
But see, he's trying to go back to where we came. That's a big rock. But we were trying to take you to the other side.
She likes trees. Oh, he's gonna go hug the tree.
That was the tree. Let's go take you to the other side.
It's definitely not a lot of snow to have fun on, but it's not bad, you
For
know.
us, it is a lot.
For Texans, it is quite a bit, because usually everything turns into ice. And right now, it seems like everything is snow, besides maybe the streets. He's like, nah, I want to go back to the snow. I want to go back to
There's
the
more
snow.
snow. There's more snow over here.
I want to go back to the snow.
Go that way.
All right, now we're going to the other side. This is where my mama whiskey is at. All covered in snow and beautiful. Ooh, clean. Oh, he's falling.
He's looking at the kids play.
Oh, they got some kids over there playing. I don't want to be the creep to record them, so, but there's some kids over there playing.
And we don't have permission to record either.
It's a public place.
But it's kids, that's just weird.
That don't matter.
FBI, open up!
Babe, shut up. Papi, there's not gonna be a snowflake that goes on your tongue. Close your mouth.
Hey, stick your tongue out and put it on a metal pipe.
Babe.
So, how do you feel? You like the snow?
I think Papi wants to be a YouTuber, so let him see this real quick.
Okay, yeah. Here.
Hello. Hello.
He's like, what's that?
Hello. Besito. Mwah.
A camera just made him blush. That's crazy.
I think he wants to go where the kids were.
I think my son wants to be a northern kid now. He just wants to go in the snow every day. His daddy would disagree. He likes being a Texas kid.
Yeah, Papi, touch the snow on Daddy's truck.
Man, look at the free ice here, guys. We could put some beers in here and shit.
We should look and put him in there.
They'll freeze out here for real.
We should look and put him in there.
No, I don't think it's enough to freeze, but
We should look and put him
I'll
in
put him in there. Put him in there then.
Because he won't fall if he tries to go anywhere much. It's snow? Yeah. He's like, ah! Oh, really?
I gotta run now.
You can't run. Our kid is on me.
Boy, I'm gonna probably slip on my ass. You can't leave your kid alone.
Get your ass over here.
Man, I'm gonna just take my punishment like a man.
Come here.
Okay, please not the face though.
Not your face?
Not the face. Ah! Motherfucker, you got me in the face!
You got me in the mouth.
You got that just means you're hydrated.
Bruh.
And Papi's over here just watching us. Like, am I supposed to be enjoying the snow or you guys?
You want a mini snowball, Papi? Yeah.
Woo!
He liked it. He liked getting hit with the snow. 1, 2. Woo!
If your daddy does it, you're not gonna like it. I'll tell you that right now.
¿Te gusta? You like snow? Did you like the snow? Yeah?
It's like we're interrogating every 5 seconds. Do you like the snow? Do you like the snow? Sebastian, do you like the snow?
You see?
Man, guys, I'm just happy I didn't work today. Everyone from the crew is like, yeah, it's like for safety precautions, we don't gotta go to work, blah blah blah. And I'm just like, bullshit.
Y'all just didn't want to
We
go.
just didn't want to go, really. It's not that bad out here. The streets are fine. It seems fine. Oh shit. You thought that was funny?
It's for content. No, I'm kidding.
So we didn't have any gloves, so we got some other options though. some
Hey.
fucking socks.
They're doing the job though.
As y'all can tell, in Texas we're not winter prepared. So I mean, besides me, of course, I got the gloves.
They're for work. Chill out.
But they are for work because I work outside most of the time. So usually I keep myself prepared for when it's cold. But it's usually not this cold.
You ready to go inside? You ready to go inside?
I wonder if we take him inside, he'll cry.
I don't know. Let's find out. Grab him.
Vámonos, papá. Vámonos, papi. Let's go, papa. That or he'll be like, thank God. It's hot, fucking cold out here.
Because he does like being outside a lot.
Alright guys, so he indeed did not cry. My wife just made some Philly cheesesteaks and them hoes were really good. We're probably just gonna watch movies the whole day from now until tomorrow, until I gotta go back to work, unfortunately for me. But anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.